Hello guys, it's your girl Bellissima. I thank you for my new subscribers and my return subscribers for subscribing to this channel and at the same time watching my videos. I really appreciate you all. And if today is the first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. And for those people who are already watching me from USA, UK, Germany, Italy, Ghana and Saudi Arabia, I really appreciate you all. Thank you. Let's go on with today's recipe. Today's recipe, we are coming to prepare creamy breast chicken, garlic and then mushroom. So let's go on with our ingredients. We have our mushroom, our onion, garlic, fresh parsley, our chicken breast, our butter, salt to taste, lemon juice, our creamy, half glass of water, oil, and then we have black pepper and nutmeg. So let's go on and start today's recipe. We are starting by our chicken breast. I'm going to cut it. Same thing to the second one. After cutting your meat, your chicken breast, you sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of it. Where you have cut, let the salt go everywhere. Just a little bit. Then add a little bit of your black pepper. Inside. Then you turn it and do the same thing to the other side. It's very delicious, if you haven't tasted before or you haven't tried it, please do so. It's very tasty and delicious. Do the same thing and a little bit of black pepper. And let's on our fire. You add a little bit of oil. We are going to use it to fry your chicken breast. Then 1 tablespoon of butter. Everything, the butter to melt. Then you put your chicken breast inside and fry it. Let it melt a bit. You add 2 cloves of garlic inside your butter and then your oil. your chicken has to be brown, not too burnt. Do the same thing to the other side too, for it to get brown like this. Then you remove it. I'm cutting my one large onion into smaller pieces. Garlic too needs to be cut into pieces. The rest of the those five garlic, 5 cloves of garlic. I'm cutting everything into pieces. Let's check our chicken. Ready. Chicken is ready. Let's put it aside. Where the garlic, you add another butter to it and then fry your mushroom. Add your mushroom. Fry it a bit. Let's add a little bit of salt to the mushroom. Just a little to give it a taste. You fry it until it's brown, golden brown, not burnt one. Let's fry it a little bit, about 2 minutes. Then we add our chopped onions and then our chopped garlic. It's time for us to add our 1 chopped onion. Everything, and you mix it together. Let it also fry a little bit, about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you add your garlic. Just cut our fresh parsley into pieces. Cut it into smaller pieces. I'm adding my 5 cloves of garlic. Haven't finished, but the aroma really I'm adding my half glass of water. And then half size of lemon juice. Add it and stir it together. going to add my cream in. I'm using 1 box. You stir everything together. Add your parsley, chop fresh parsley, add it, stir it, leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes for it to cook small. Adding half tablespoon of nutmeg. You stir it together and then add your fried chicken breast inside your sauce. And you put your white sauce on top of your chicken breast, the fried one. Like this. The top two to be soft. And then cover it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Hello, our breast chicken with mushroom and garlic is ready. Very creamy and delicious. You can enjoy it with pasta, spaghetti, or potatoes. Very delicious. Please, I urge you to try it. But with this recipe, if you haven't still subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Let this channel grow together. Like, share, comment for your girl. Catch up in our next recipe.